Hello, my dear students. Let us continue. We will take up a new chapter again. That is chapter 5, Plant Life. As we know, plants they can make their own food. Plants need air, water, and sunlight to prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Plants can reproduce in many ways. Most of the plants that we see around us reproduce through seeds. Some plants can reproduce from body parts such as leaf, stems, and roots. Now, let us first discuss about the reproduction. Reproduction from the stem. Potato and ginger. Lu ahilowa le ting ho hu ikwai sot ting aniu hu veleu chun. Neo cha cha hung don do zi chuna. Hichi ahung kimu aninga ho green buds. Cho green buds kiti cho. Aninga ahung don do neo cha cha ho veleu chun. They are green in color, right? They are known as green buds. New plants grow from these buds. Potato and ginger they are underground stems. They produce only through the stem. Potato, ginger, rose, amahohi, amunaya kithe tho hilo so. Be mu ho ithe tho bang wa ilo wale ikhat tho bang wa hu hi cho hi kithe tho a hilo. They reproduce through their stem. Next, we have reproduction from the roots. Reproduction from leaves. Bryophyllum plants has thick and fleshy leaves. The leaves of these plants have buds along the edges where new plants grow from these buds. When the leaves fall on the ground, the buds grow into new plants. That is how plants reproduce from leaves. Next, we have reproduction from roots. Plants like carrot, radish, they grow from roots. Carrot hu ipiti kitu ahidem. Carrot hu akung nalang achung lang ako kung tabang mga sauhat ji chuna anado nalang. Carrot hu itana achung lang pa hu leinoya ivuiting le. Azung ahilo or roots. Hungi sim do zi a hunga kit zi hi e. Next, reproduction from seeds. Like I mentioned, most plants they grow from seeds. Seeds are usually found inside fruits. New plants grow when seeds fall on the ground. Next, let us discuss about germination. What is germination? Germination iti tingle ipiham. The growth of a baby plant from a seed is called germination. The baby plant is known as seedling. Germination iti tingle. The seed contains a small baby plant called an embryo, and the seed is protected by an outer covering called a seed coat. Chilaya diagram hinamu uvam. The seed contains a small baby plant called embryo. This is the embryo, okay? And then the seed is protected by an outer covering called, this is the outer covering called seed coat. The seed absorbs water from the soil and provides moisture to the embryo. So when seeds get enough water, air, and warmth, they grow into a new plant. So this is about germination. Next, we have dispersal of seeds. What is seed dispersal? Seed dispersal ititingle ipitinaham. The process of spreading seeds away from the parent plant is called seed dispersal. There are three agents. For seed dispersal. Now, let us see the three agents of seed dispersal. First, we have wind dispersal. Some plants, they have very small and lightweight seeds. Such seeds, they are spread or dispersed by wind. Example like cotton seeds. The second agent is water dispersal. Seed of plants that grow in or near flowing water, they are dispersed by water. Example, lotus. The third agent is animal dispersal. We eat fleshy fruits like mango, papaya, guava, right? So after we eat, we throw the seeds away. Mango ho ahilowale, papaya ho inezo tingle amuhu. ipaiziu chuna. So this is one way of helping plants to disperse their seeds. Birds and animals. So birds and animals also eat seeds along with fruits, right? Birds sihan lang animals sila. Seeds, they also eat seeds along with fruits. So the seeds are small and hard and they come out of the body as waste. That is, they are ready to grow. So there are the three essence. We have wind dispersal, water dispersal, and animal dispersal. Coming to the next, we have crops. Crops iti tingle ipitinaha. Crops are plants that are grown in fields to provide food and other useful things to us. Crop si zat tu umcho food crop kiti zong uma, fiber crop zong uma, oil producing crop. Food crop iti tingle such as rice, maize, and wheat. Fiber crops includes jute, and then oil producing crops include peanut, mustard, kitihona. So all crops need water, sunlight, air, and good soil. And different crops, they grow under different conditions. We have two seasonal crops. One is summer crops and the other one is winter crops. What are summer crops? Summer crops are called kharif crops. During this season, crops like rice, cotton, onion, pumpkin, hiti ho summer phalai ki tuchuna, and they are called kharif crops. Next, we have winter crops. Winter crops are called rabi crops. Phal bilai le mustard, carrot, cauliflower, ahilawale, beho, itu zius na, and they are called rabi crops. And then the last one is to grow good crops. What do we need to grow good crops? Number one, the soil should be suited to the kind of crop grown and should be well prepared for planting by plowing. The second, manures and fertilizers should be added to the soil to make it fertile. And third, we need good quality seeds. And then fourth, crops should be irrigated at the right time. And then crops should be protected against disease, should be protected against insects, birds, and small animals. With this, we have finished the chapter. I hope you all are clear with the explanation. I want all of you to write it down in your notebook, and this will be your homework to learn. List 4 ways by which plants reproduce. DUCE. List 4 ways by which plants reproduce. Write down the answer. Reproduction from the stem, reproduction from leaves, reproduction from roots, and reproduction from seeds. I will repeat. List 4 ways by which plants reproduce. Answer. Reproduction from the stem, reproduction from leaves, reproduction from roots, reproduction from seeds. Second question. What is germination? The answer is the growth of a baby plant from a seed is called germination. Question number 3. What is dispersal of seed? Name 3 agents of dispersal. The answer is the scattering of seeds away from the parent plant is called seed dispersal. 3 agents of dispersal are wind dispersal, water dispersal, and animal dispersal. I will repeat it again. What is dispersal of seed? Name 3 agents of dispersal. The scattering of seed away from the parent plant is called seed dispersal. 3 agents of dispersal are wind dispersal, water dispersal, and animal dispersal. Question number 4. Why are crops important to us? Crops are important to us because crops provide us with food and other useful things. The last question. What is the difference between Rabi crops and Kharif crops? Give 2 examples of each. Answer. Kalam ni sim tawa. Oh, this side you write Rabi crops and this side you write Kharif crops. Write down the answer. Rabi crops. Rabi crops. Crops grown in winter are called Rabi crops. Example, cauliflower, carrot. This side Kharif crops. Crops grown in summer are called kharif crops. Example, onion, pumpkin. I hope you all are clear with the explanation. Thank you.